Pineapple is one very popular and very delicious tropical fruit. Its unique form is due to the web of a lot of single coalesced berries concentrated around the core, every scale being an individual berry. Apart from the fact that it is a very sweet fruit and delicious too, the pineapple is also very healthy because it has a lot of beneficial properties that are good for your health and for your body, so it's very important to include it in your everyday diet. The main component of the pineapple is the enzyme bromelian, also contains manganese, dietary fiber, and vitamin C, thiamine, and vitamin B, which are great for your health. All of these compounds of the pineapple have a very important role for your health and can help in the treatments and prevention of various clinical disorders. Usually people only eat the pulp, but you can even eat the peel. Here is a simple recipe for homemade pineapple juice with peels, and the ingredients you need are 1 organic pineapple, 1 liter of filtered water, 1 lemon, and some honey. First of all, wash the pineapple. Cut the crown off and separate the fruit meat from the peel. Put the pineapple peel in some water in a pan and boil it. Add some pineapple pulp to the peel and cook them together. Put aside the mixture and let it cool. Once cooled, add 1 liter of water and juice of 1 lemon. Next, add the honey depending on how sweet you want. Strain the mixture and the juice is ready to be enjoyed. Some amazing health benefits of pineapples are: 1. It's anti-inflammatory. Thanks to the enzyme bromelian, which is contained mostly in the core of the pineapple, this fruit has anti-inflammatory properties, and it can help in cases of severe inflammations. It can be used for treatments of sports injuries. 2. It's great for the heart. Studies from Finland and China show that this fruit is great for the heart and for prevention of coronary disease because it contains a lot of vitamin C, which is highly effective in the treatments of heart problems. 3. Pineapple is great for treating fertility. The pineapple has so many great elements that are very effective and needed when it comes to treating fertility for both man and woman. It contains different minerals and vitamins like vitamin C, folic acid, copper, beta-carotene, and zinc. 4. Anti-carcinogenic. Being rich on bromelain, this fruit is used in treatments of cancer. This enzyme helps the process of chemotherapy, and it's effective in preventing cancer cells to continue growing. Since it contains beta-carotene, the pineapple can be taken for prevention of cancer because it protects the prostate and the colon. 5. Asthma. During the digestion process of the pineapple, the beta-carotene, which is contained in the fruit, converts into vitamin A. Some studies show that beta-carotene is very helpful in the prevention of asthma.